Aiden, where are you going?
Camping.
Going camping? Max. We're going camping. It's nice weather today. Max, say hi. Lapit na kami sa lake. Dito na kami sa campsite. Tulog yung mga bata. Mag-open sila 3 o'clock pa. So maaga pa. 2:23 pa lang. So ayun, waiting ko lang si husband sa office para tawag dito, magbayad. Nagpa-reserve na kami online. So ayun, so nice weather. Sobrang init. Nag-i-stay kami overnight tonight, and then tomorrow na kami magpapak para umuwi. So that's it. Ito kami sa campsite namin. Guys, ito na yung tent namin. Assemble lang namin after 48 years. Yan.
Let's make small.
Yung likod
Oh,
niya.
yeah, let's make small.
Yung likod niya. Malaki siya. Kasya ang 2 queen mattress. Yan siya. Yan. Yan yung bintana. Sa loob si Abby. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka entrance.
Daddy, something
Pinaka pintuan.
happened. Something happened to this side.
Ito yung view. Ayan yung lake.
I want to make small.
Hang on, buddy.
Okay.
What you doing?
Is it? Let's rip boo.
Jump! Jump! Hindi pa kami kumakain. Anong petsa na?
I can't want to do this.
Max,
What?
say hi, tita.
Hi, Tita.
Tsura niya, oh.
We're going camping.
Already here.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are going camping.
Ay, ngayon na kami natapos. Nagugutom na ako. Yung mesa.
You ready to eat?
Yeah, I want to eat. Make a small and be the bonus.
Ayan. Nasettle na yung air mattress. Dito sila Aiden. And then kami naman dito mag-asawa. Yan. Yun yung ilaw namin tsaka electric fan. Ang init. Yan. Dito ako sa loob ng tent.
Hey, stop.
Naming kapoy. Ayan, nakasarado kasi yung mga bugs sa Aiden. Yan.
It's a tie. We both won.
O yeah,
Yes.
lalaro sila.
I think I won.
Wala, meron ng
I
mga
think I won.
bugs.
I think I'm cheating.
Later, I gotta put your off lotion.
Okay. Okay. See? Whoa. What will it be?
Sakyan namin. Gutom na ako. Pa kami tapos konting-konti na lang. Kain din kami. Mamaya maliligo kami. Ayan yung iba, oh. Yung iba nangingisda. nakahataw ng dala ng mga kung ano-ano kasi liit nung sasakyan namin eh. Walang, oh my god, so windy. Ayan. Walang view. Pero lang doon sa pwesto lang. Kain kami dito. May ano daw eh, may restaurant daw. Ang windy, grabe siya oh. Ayan, mga nag-rent ng mga kayak. Windy kaya. Fishing dito. Mahal lang jet ski dito pag mag-rent. $200 like 10,000 sa pesos. Grabe. 3 hours po. 2 hours. Grabe ang windy. Sa bridge. Ay, tubig oh. Pag magre-rent. Hindi kami magre-rent muna kasi ano petsa natin.
Hello.
Appetizer. Dito kami sa restaurant.
Appetizer.
Beer tsaka Sprite lang ako.
Appetizer.
Extra curriculum.
Oh, no.
Dito kami sa restaurant.
You need me on the camera. Hey, hello. What's this? See, magic chick.
Stop it.
Very good. Chatty.
Ayan, kain kami ng dinner.
Let's try regular French fries.
Fish tacos.
It's not like it's not like the pickle one. It's a regular one. Try it. Look, it's a regular one. Try it.
It's getting dark.
If you let go of it, it will.
Can I just pop it?
I'm not gonna keep blowing them up so you can pop them.
No.
Dark na siya. Ayan, it's dark na.
Daddy, what you mean?
Ayan yung ilaw. Sobrang liwanag naman yung ilaw.
Daddy, what you mean? The owl.
Yeah, we need to move this light because the bugs. Ang daming mga tao ngayon dito.
Daddy, owl.
So dark.
Daddy, what?
If you drop it, it's gonna pop.
Watch out that big
Stone.
So bright.
may phone sa flashlight.
Daddy, I dropped mine in the fall. It didn't fall away. It didn't fall away.
Then the kids too.
Max.
Say good night.
Good night. Love you. Love you.
Good night world.
Good night, world. The whole wide world.
Good night guys.
Good night, guys.
Babosh.
Babosh, guys. And surprise.
Okay, no jumping.